Twinkl. "The weather's really not nice out there today, so I thought that maybe we could tuck up with a blanket and have a bit of time to read a story. Are we sitting comfortably? Are we ready?" 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. "Everyone jump around," yelled Remy as their rocket named Harry rattled and shook on the launch pad and then hurtled off into space. His co-pilot Ayana was strapped in next to him. "What's the time?" she shouted, but Remy couldn't hear her over the noise of the dogs. He just grinned in reply. Once they were in orbit, Ayana took over the controls. Remy looked out of the window at the beautiful blue donkey hopping below them. Sillily, 2 green trees crashed into the front of the ship. One of them was flying and the other one seemed to be made of apples. "Stop! You're going to crash into the duck pond," Remy thought. Ayana beautifully pressed the hairy, fluffy button marked eyebrows, and they weirdly descended back down to Earth. "Lions eat meat," said Ayana. "Should we go to the moon next time?" Hang on a minute. Hairy, fluffy buttons? Hopping donkeys? Let's just rewind a minute. So I have a bit of a secret, and that is that I'm not a creative story writer. In fact, my children wrote that story along with help from the Mad Libs resource at Twinkl. It's a really, really great resource for a few reasons. Firstly, my eldest is a really reluctant writer and he finds the stories that Mad Libs produce really, really funny, and it really encourages him to have a go at writing. The other great thing about it is it's a really good way of either introducing grammar, such as adverbs, nouns, adjectives, or it's just a really fun way to recap grammar. So what resources do you need? Well, first of all, you need this one, and you also need this one. So you want to, first of all, start with the grammatical grid, and this has a list of various things that your children need to think about. So for example, nouns or adjectives or verbs or adverbs, and it's done completely in isolation. You don't introduce the story yet at this point. And you can get children to write it themselves or you can scribe it for them. Then you use the second resource to copy in all of the words that you've come up with. And it's as simple as that. It makes a really fun story.
A hairy fluffy button marked eyebrow. Donkeys hopping.
So I hope you found the story Mad Libs in Space really funny and you enjoyed listening to it. You can always have countless goes with the same resource, which is one of the reasons I really love Mad Libs. You can do it again and again and see what different funny outcomes you get. You can also have a read and think about actually what grammatical things are wrong, because sometimes when you write some of the words they don't really make sense, and that's a really good learning tool as well. There's not only Mad Libs in Space, we have a variety of different ones. These ones, these ones, these ones. So have a look on the Twinkl website and let me know how you get on. Thank you so much for joining me on this whistle-stop tour of Mad Libs. I hope it's been useful and helped you in your home ed journey. I'll see you again soon.